Hello, I'm with Dudley Tozan, Benoit Welding, and if you will, Dudley, go ahead and explain how we've helped you or one of our products that's helped your process here.
Well, the Walter blades helps out my breakers and stop my breakers from tripping. Any other blade I try to use, it'll trip the breaker.
You find the wheel keeps a real aggressive edge and makes for fast cuts, without interrupting your work, because you don't have the breaker tripping. Just it keeps the aggressive edge because it's a wheel especially made for cutting aluminum, and that tends to help you.
Because this is the best cutting blade they have that I've used.
It outperforms the other brands you've used in the past. Very good. Very fast cut, no trouble with the breaker flipping, and you get a very good life out of the wheel. Does a job for you. Okay. Thank you very much for your time, and appreciate it. And,